The Marching Roundtable's appearance on tour with the Phantom Regiment was made possible by Fred J. Miller Incorporated, found at fjminc.com. I'm here with the most supportive people in the Corps that keep everybody fed. How are you guys doing?
Great.
I am on the, what do we call this?
Cook truck.
The cook truck. So could I ask you your names?
I'm Alex.
I'm Joe.
I'm Becky.
I'm Jason.
So, why are you guys volunteering? Why do you guys do this?
Because we love the activity.
Yeah.
You love the kids?
And the kids. Yeah.
So how is it living in this space all summer? Or a lot of the summer?
Interesting.
It's set up, you have a nice breeze going.
Yeah.
Yes.
I would use the word cozy as well.
Yes.
Cozy, because how do you not run into each other all the time while you're back here
You
working?
do.
We do.
Oh, really?
No personal space.
Okay, so you're just used to that?
Yeah. We say excuse me and keep walking.
Yep.
Okay. So what's your favorite thing to cook for the Corps? Do you have a favorite thing to prepare?
I like Dorito chicken.
That sounds delicious. What is that? Chicken with Doritos?
Yeah,
In it?
Doritos on the top and on the bottom.
Oh my gosh, that sounds
Salsa.
fantastic.
Salsa.
Really? How about you guys? What's your favorite thing to cook?
I like her slamming chicken.
I know, that was what I was thinking too.
I know that's famous.
Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely famous.
Yeah. That's a big one.
And do you guys ever get any sleep? Because I don't. It seems like someone's always seriously. It's like you're always cooking. So like, when do you get naps or how does that work? Because seriously, you're always working.
The pre-show nap is very important. From the housing site to the show site, you nap.
Oh,
Affectionately called a pre-show nap.
that makes perfect sense.
Those long drive nights are helpful too.
Yeah.
It's when you catch up.
Yeah.
Okay, so long drives are good.
They are.
Oh, they're very good.
Do you guys know you're appreciated by the Corps members? Do you get a sense that they appreciate all you're doing?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Like, how do you know that?
They say please and thank you all the time.
Really?
Yeah.
So they let you know?
Oh yeah.
Yes.
I'm glad. Well, I want you to know as an alumni, I appreciate that you're here and that you're doing all this great work.
Thank you.
Thanks for
Thank
giving
you.
of your time and your expertise and your hard work.
Thank you.
Y'all are awesome. Find other interviews and videos from top DCI designers, instructors, and marchers, behind-the-scenes videos, interviews, and podcasts from winter camps, spring training, traveling during the season, and performances, all at marchingartseducation.com/DCI-2019. The Marching Roundtable is proud to be an official media partner of Drum Corps International.